Hey, hasn't there already been like 3 of these videos already? No, I'm pretty sure Memory Brains, Electric Kids, and Galactic Girl have already made videos just like this. Copycat. Follower. Maybe I will. So this is a video promoting Sophie, 44123's new series Hiding. I'm Eric, and my voice is being done by Star the C136. And the best part about Hiding so far is, I haven't talked about flowers once yet. I mean, honestly, have you played Crisis Core? I almost ripped my hair out saying, Zach, how about that flower wagon? Zach, how about that flower wagon? Zach, how about that freaking flower wagon? I was about to go down to Square Enix and strangle Sakaguchi Hironobu? Honestly, I need a new hobby. Wait, is what's his name still even writing the games? Why are Japanese names so weird? What? What? What were you expecting? No one's that nice, and I swear to God, if Cloud or Zach decide to fall through my roof again in this series, I will no longer be Square Enix's little angel. Or Enix. I can never get that right. Oh right, go check out Hiding. Episode 1 is up, and it's awesome. Well, except for my voice. You make me sound horrible. Oh, you better be. Hey, I saw that. Zach, don't step on the goddamn flowers.